Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to use voice effect or voice filter on Instagram. Let's see how to use. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app. Now go to Instagram, click on message icon, first record voice message and click on effect icon. You can use any effect or filter on this voice. Voice message effect use done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.